Confused between soft Doe Eye and bold Siren Eye? Watch me transform both in under 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Antara and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. With the festival season here, I'm about to show you 2 stunning eye looks. We are starting with the Doe Eye. Step 1. Pick any beige or cream eyeshadow. Matte works best. Using a fluffy brush, blend it all over your lids in gentle circular motions. This will neutralize the lid and create a smooth base. This step instantly makes your eyes look brighter and more awake. Now grab an angled brush and dip into a matte brown shade, not too dark. Apply it along your lower lash line, focusing on the outer 2/3 and gently diffuse it outwards. Here's my favorite step for doe eyes. Take a smooth black kajal pencil and tightline your upper lash line. Are you ready for the magic? Use a cream or nude eye pencil and run it along your lower waterline. Instantly it makes your eyes pop and look much bigger. At that final touch, take any shimmer shadow or highlighter and dab it onto your inner corners. It catches the light and brightens your whole face. And here's the final look. How beautiful this look is, and it's super easy to do. It'll give you that beautiful, soft, minimal yet glam finish. Switch gears and create the easiest Siren Eye, perfect for night festivities or when you want to look extra glam. Take a black eye pencil or eyeshadow next and apply it just at the outer corner of your upper lash line, extending it outwards and slightly upwards. Use a brush to smudge out and make it a little bit more smoky. Here's where Siren Eye meets the drama. Line the inner corners using your black kajal and drag it slightly outwards for that fox eye effect. Smudge gently for a soft diffusion. For some finishing touches, you can use your false eyelashes or some mascara. This final step totally transforms the siren effect. So which look you are trying first? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and follow Be Beautiful for more such easy tutorials.